Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok verification field. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is perform a network check because internet could be a big problem which blocks OTP codes. So all you need to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, which should go ahead and ensure the problem. Then you can also try to turn on and turn off the airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The second thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and then reopen it. And that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, try to check if there are any updates. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok just like that. And once you've searched for it, all you need to do is click on the application and there should be a blue update button where the open button is. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.